Hi there, this is Miss Lynn, and I wanted to give you a short little video to help you with the Unit 5 5.06 flyer assignment. If you scroll over here and go to Unit 5 in our course content, the folder for this assignment is down here in 5.06. If you click on the link, you will see the direction sheet up here at the top. And in this direction sheet, it tells you that you are going to create a flyer for a yard sale. So it would be a document that you can advertise your sale. It's going to be a one-page document, and your flyer needs to include the name at the top, a title, the address. You can use a fictional address, do not use your actual home address, and a date and time. Underneath those things, you want to list at least 5 items in a bulleted list that you're going to sell. You also want to add an image to the document, so something that will pertain to a yard sale. So you're going to use Microsoft Word to complete this assignment. So if you open up Word to a blank document, then you're just going to start typing the information. Yard sale, the address. I'm going to press Shift Enter after the address to keep it on the same paragraph. The city, state, and zip code. Make sure that you always capitalize the name of the city. Pennsylvania is always a capital P and a capital A, and then the zip code. And then I'm going to have this yard sale on Saturday, October 20th, 2018, from 8 o'clock a.m. until noon. So I have my basic contact information at the top. Now I'm going to add the items for sale. And in there, I'm going to make a bulleted list. So I'm going to sell children's clothing, toys, video games, DVDs, and books. So those are the 5 items that I'm going to sell in my yard sale. And then up at the top, I'm going to add a picture. So I'm going to put my cursor in front of yard sale, press the enter sign, and I'm going to go to my Insert tab. And I'm going to search online pictures. And you can make sure that you check mark Creative Commons so that it will look for images that are able to be shared. And I'm going to say yard sale. See how it says Creative Commons only? I think I'll pick this image. Now, now that I have my basic text in there, I need to apply some formatting. So you want to make sure that the title, yard sale, is either bold, italics, or underline. You want it to be bigger than the rest of the text. You want to use at least 2 different font styles, and 1 line of text is a different color, and make sure that your text is centered on the page. So because this is a flyer that's going to be hung up around town, you're going to want the text to be fairly large. So I'm going to say, 24, and then you want to make sure that it fits on 1 page. I'm also going to change the size of the text and the type of text for the title, yard sale. And you can center everything. Sometimes bullets, though, look a little weird when they're centered. So I would left align them and then maybe indent them so they're over here with the rest of the information. You also want to change the color of 1 line of text at least. So I'm going to put my yard sale there. And then this is kind of just the basics You can definitely add to this. You could have more images. Maybe you took some pictures of the items that you wanted to sell. Maybe you use a couple of other different typefaces and fonts. So you can kind of jazz it up to make it look the way you want it to, okay? But this is kind of just the basics here. So once you have all of this set up, feel free to add to it. Make it look fancier if you want to. However you want to customize it, as long as you make sure it fits on one page. It has at least 2 different colored fonts, at least 2 different font styles, the address, the date, the time, and at least 5 bulleted items for sale and an image, okay? Make sure there's no spelling mistakes, and you can save it in your computer literacy folder as your last name, flyer. Once you have that Word document saved, you can come right back here to the Dropbox and you can click the upload button, browse for your computer literacy folder, and upload the file. If you guys have any questions, send me an email or reach out to me in class.